This TCL 8000 British thermal unit's smart window air conditioner cools a mid-sized room evenly and fairly quickly, making it well suited for bedrooms, home offices, or small living rooms. Built-in Wi-Fi with a polished companion app, plus support for major voice assistants, means you can adjust temperature and modes hands-free or from anywhere. Energy Star certification, along with dedicated eco and sleep modes, helps trim electricity use without sacrificing day-to-day comfort. The unit offers several fan speeds and multiple operating modes, so you can fine-tune airflow and noise level to match different times of day. Adjustable directional vents provide genuinely flexible airflow control, letting you aim cool air where you sit or sleep, instead of chilling the whole room unnecessarily. Installation is straightforward for a typical window setup, and the washable, reusable filter keeps maintenance simple while helping capture dust and pet hair.